Hi everyone, hope you guys are well. Welcome to the Prosthodontics series. This would be our lecture 1, and today we will be talking about general considerations. Some of the topics we will be covering today include diagnosis and treatment planning, pre-prosthodontic treatment, maxillomandibular relations, which also include TMJ and the muscles of mastication and centric relation, impressions and casts, aesthetics and phonetics, and restorative implantology. So let's dive in. So before I start, I just want to reiterate how prosthodontics is one of the most highly tested topic in the national boards. There are around 51 questions in the national boards from just prosthodontics alone. And so I might go into a little bit more detail, and I will be pinpointing what's